Your next career move might depend on just one word: Azure. But what is the cloud, and why is it the fastest way to future-proof your career? The cloud simply means storing and running things over the internet instead of your computer. It comes in 3 flavors: public, private, and hybrid clouds, flexible for any business. Then 3 service models. IaaS, you cook with the kitchen. PaaS, you get a chef's help. SaaS, the meal's ready to eat. The benefits? Scalability, cost savings, security, and global reach. But here's the catch: responsibility is shared. Microsoft handles infrastructure, but you manage your data. Miss that, and your career could stall. So the question is, will you just use the cloud or build your career on it? Because mastering Azure today could be the decision that changes your future tomorrow. Follow for more Microsoft 365 career tips.